Hey there! Construction schedules can get complicated fast because you're not just planning tasks, you're coordinating phases, trades, inspections, and material deliveries all in the right order. And even though Excel doesn't have a built-in construction scheduling tool, you can still use it to build a clear, workable schedule from scratch. Today I'll show you exactly how to build a construction schedule in Excel step by step so you can map out your project and keep the work moving. Let's jump in. A construction schedule is a timeline that maps your project from start to finish. Most construction schedules are built using a Gantt chart, like this one. It shows when each phase begins, how long it takes, and how the work flows from one step to the next. On a typical project, that might look like site prep, then foundation, framing, rough-ins, inspections, and finally finishes. Each phase depends on the one before it, often with different crews coming in at different times. So a good construction schedule isn't just about completing isolated tasks on time, it's about sequencing and coordination across the entire build. Excel is a good place to start building a construction schedule because it's familiar and flexible, and most teams already have it. For smaller projects or early planning, it gives you a simple way to map out your timeline and get everything organized. But there are trade-offs. Every update is manual, dependencies aren't automatically enforced, and it can get harder to manage as your schedule starts to shift. Still, as a starting point, it can work pretty well. Here's how to do it. You can get started by creating these 4 columns: task name, start date, end date, and duration. To calculate duration, use this formula: equals end date minus start date plus 1. That plus 1 makes sure Excel counts both the start and end dates. Select your full table. Go to the Insert tab and choose 2D Stacked Bar Chart. Right-click the chart and select Select Data. Add 2 series: start date and duration. Then set your task names as the horizontal axis. Now, to turn this into a Gantt chart, click the start date bars. Format them with no fill and remove their border. Next, reverse your task order so the first task appears at the top. Then, convert your horizontal axis into a date axis. And set weekly or monthly intervals based on your project. Next, let's make it presentation ready by adding a clear title. You can also color code tasks or phases so your timeline is easy to skim. Color coding your tasks by group is a great way to make sure your schedule is easily scannable. You can also use colors to differentiate trades or phases. I try to use gray to color code my group headers, and that helps me scan tasks easier as well. Another great way to use color in your Excel Gantt chart is to highlight the project's critical path, which is the longest sequence of tasks with 0 float. In other words, the longest sequence of tasks that have no room for delay, or they will delay your whole project. This is a great way to lay out your project's critical path, but remember, any changes in your critical path will need to be manually updated because there's no way to automate this in Excel. If you're unfamiliar with critical path or the critical path method, check out our videos about it in the description to learn more. Next, add vertical grid lines to your construction schedule to help you better differentiate days within your project. You can even draw a today line indicator. Remember, this will not automatically update and will need to be adjusted manually. but it's a great way to help visualize where your project stands for things like status meetings with clients or shareholders. Milestones are another important thing to track in your construction schedule. These are key events in your project that may not be tied to a task length or a duration, but they still need to be tracked, like a deadline. You can track these in your construction schedule as a task with a one-day duration. Give these tasks a bright color, like gold, to help them stand out against the rest of your schedule. You can also insert a shape, like a diamond, and place it over your milestone date to help it stand out even more. Just remember that these won't update automatically, and they'll need to be adjusted manually as well. Finally, you'll need a way to track dependencies in your construction schedule. There isn't a super intuitive way to do this in Excel, but you can track them. Start by adding another column in front of column A. Call this column WBS number. WBS stands for Work Breakdown Structure, and it's used to order your tasks in phases or groups. Assign a WBS number to all of the tasks and phases in your schedule. Now add another column and call it Predecessor column. In this column, add the WBS number of the task that must finish before this task can start. This is a simple way for you to track dependencies in your schedule, but again, this will need to be updated and maintained manually. Excel is okay for quick timelines and static presentations, but maintaining and updating an Excel construction schedule can become very cumbersome and time-consuming as your project shifts or grows. That's because Excel won't adjust dates automatically, support lead or lag time, lock milestone dates, or update related tasks when things shift. But if you need that, then you're in luck, because that's where TeamGantt can help. TeamGantt is intuitive, easy-to-use online Gantt chart software that takes all of that manual work out of the picture for you. You can start with one of our construction templates, build your own from scratch, or use our AI Gantt chart maker to generate your plan. Everything is drag and drop and easy to update. Important features like milestones can be locked, and dependencies automatically adjust as your schedule shifts. TeamGantt also calculates the critical path automatically and updates it as your schedule changes. And making it visible in your project is as easy as clicking a button, so you don't have to do any tracking or manual calculations. TeamGantt also comes with built-in tools for tracking material ordering and delivery, as well as subcontractor verification to make sure all of your materials and crews show up on site when they need to. And even more new construction-focused features are being built all the time. Excel is a great way to get started with your construction schedule, but if you need something that's built to really plan and manage your construction project, TeamGantt is the answer. Try it today for free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content just like this. See you next time.